The cats are once again right outside my door. It's really cute seeing them clean themselves. Oop, am I catching you at a... Okay, at a time in which I should not be recording you, but you look very cute. Okay. You stopped. Did I embarrass you by catching that on camera? I really do need to get out inside, and you are actually right in front of my door. Like, that's... What was that noise? Was that a sign of displeasure? I'm sorry. Hi there, Scrungles. Oh. Yeah. I know, I'm sorry. Look at there, look at that, Scrungles. I know. Anyways, good morning to all of you.